Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Noraisa Barbo Medalla, 35 years old, married, have 5 children. I am a high school graduate. My height is 154 centimeter. I have no long term to take any medication. I have no any disease. My work experience there in Kuwait to take care of a newborn baby twins and 7 years old. I cook the baby food. I take about them. I feed them. I cook an Arabic simple dishes because my mom and sir always buy food outside. I do household cleaning, ironing, and clean all the dishes. My preferred duties are taking care a newborn baby, taking care young kids, and taking care healthy elderly, and cooking, and taking care and cats and dog, and cooking. Mom and sir, I have a song for your kids. My wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. My wheels on the bus go round and round, all to the town. Mom and sir, I want to work on Hong Kong for my family, especially for my kids. I want to finish their studying. Mom and sir, please give me a chance to serve to your family. I do my best. God bless. Thank you.